This is a very good question, and actually we have had a lot of time that people come with salt and pepper hair, and now the question is whether or not they want to keep a salt and pepper, they want to put it on the darker side, they want to go on the whiter side. Most people want to keep their hairline at least on the darker side, so they want to have more pigmented hair on the transplanted area. And that's naturally done if you don't do anything at all. When we extract hair, the dark hair or pigmented hair are more visible. So we are having a bias toward getting more dark hair. So usually when we do hair transplant from the back to the front, we get more dark hair on the recipient area. The other thing is most people keep more dark hair on the back and sides of the scalp as opposed to the top. So that's another reason that we get more dark hair. So most people after hair transplant, they get a much darker hairline and they look a lot younger. Occasionally some people want to keep it more of a blend, and then we have to discuss it, and then we have to change our strategy and intentionally try to go after the lighter hair or the whiter hair.